In the diagram, PQRS is a circle with center O. The length of QR is equal to the length of RX, and angle ROQ is 50 degrees. If angle QPS is X, find X. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to use the information found on this diagram to find X. From the center of a circle to a point on the circumference will give us the radius. So it means that OQ is a radius, OR is a radius, and OS is also a radius. In the same circle, the radius of a circle will be equal. So it means that OQ is equal to OR and is equal to OS. So the length OQ is equal to the length OR and is equal to the length OX. The chord QR is equal to RX. And we have found out that OQ is equal to OR and is equal to OX. What it means is that the triangle QOR is the same as the triangle ROS, because the length OQ is equal to the length OR, and it's also equal to the length OS, and QR is also equal to RS. So the triangle QOR is the same as the triangle ROS. If they are the same, then if angle QOR is 50 degrees, then it means that angle ROS is also 50 degrees. So the angle here is also 50 degrees. So the angle SOQ will be equal to 50 degrees plus 50 degrees, which is 100 degrees. So the total angle formed here is 100 degrees. Let's join the point Q to the point S to get the chord QS. We now have the chord QS. One of the theorems of a circle is that in a circle, the angle a chord subtends at the center of the circle is 2 times or twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. So here, the angle the chord QS subtends at the center is 2 times the angle the same chord QS will subtend at the circumference. So what it means is that 2 times angle QRS, which is the angle subtended at the circumference, will be equal to the angle subtended at the center, which is angle SOQ. Angle QRS is X, and we have just found out that angle SOQ is 100 degrees. So you have 2x is equal to 100 degrees. To get x, I'll divide both sides by 2. So x will be equal to 100 degrees divided by 2, which is 50 degrees. So the value of x is 50 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.